Hi friends, I welcome you all back to Knowledge Gap. Today, let's do something interesting and at the same time useful. We use a lot of words in our day-to-day life to communicate. But most probably, we may be using these words incorrectly. There are some words in English which have letters that are partially or completely silent. Now let's go through some of these words with the silent letters and its correct pronunciation. Before going to the words, those who haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it and watch the video till the end. You can see the words on the screen with the silent letters underlined. Okay, now let's start. The first word is logically. It's logically, not logically, it's logically. Here, the A is silent. In the same pattern, we have basically. Basically. The next word is climb. It's climb, not climb, it's climb. Here, the B is silent. In the same pattern, we have comb. Comb. Bomb. We also have debt. It's not debt, it's debt. We also have plumber. It's not plumber, it's plumber. In all these words, the B is silent. The next word is bridge. It's not bridge, it's bridge. We also have fridge. In both these words, the D is silent. Another word is honor. It's not honor, it's honor. Another word is business. Business. It's not business, it's business. Here, the I is silent. The next word is receipt. It's not receipt, it's receipt. Here, the P is silent. The next word is work. It's not work, it's work. Here, the R is silent. In the same way, we have airport. It's not airport, it's airport. We also have clerk. It's not clerk, it's clerk. In the same pattern, we have teacher. It's not teacher, it's teacher. We also have alarm. It's not alarm, it's alarm. In all these words, the R is silent. The next word is ballet. It's not ballet, it's ballet. Here, the T is silent. In the same way, we have Christmas. It's not Christmas or Christmas, it's Christmas. In both these words, the T is silent. Hope this video was useful. If you like this video, please do click the like button and share the video. Also click the bell icon to get the notifications of my coming videos. Till then, this is Anjali signing out. Bye.